So here's my first computer, which is the most powerful one up here by quite a significant margin. It's a Dell Poweredge 1300, and it has dual Pentium 3s at 500 MHz each and 1 GB of SD RAM. Pop the cover up, this is what you'll find inside. So there you can see the two Pentium 3s alongside a PCI network card, because of course this doesn't have one built in, as many computers this time didn't have. And then there's the two CD-ROM drives, and I've done this all in IDE because I don't have any big SCSI drives, but there is a SCSI port there. You can just about see the 4 SD RAM slots at the back there, and there is also a tape drive which I've wired in at the back there. Now in terms of connections at the back, it's got monitor, parallel port, PS/2, 2 serial ports and USB. And I've just left the rest of that blank. Let's just have a quick look, at the sort of graphical capabilities of this. But take in mind, this has only got a 2 meg onboard graphics card that, well, it's an old ATI one, which I don't think supports acceleration, but I'll have a look. We'll have a look in a moment once it's collected system information. Right, yeah, so you see, it doesn't, no, no, not available, but you can see it's, well, it doesn't say here, but I think it's only 2 meg, and it won't go above 800 by 600 without dropping to some ridiculous, without dropping to 16-bit. If we can get 3D Mark 2001 to run on this, I know there are newer versions, but, they're not going to work on this, and I doubt this will even really work on this computer, based on just, I don't know, the lack of graphical acceleration provided by the graphics card. So here you see the Sunspider score of 4319 milliseconds is really slow, ultimately. Your i7 computer might have around 200, but compared to some of the computers I have here, will be up next, such as some of these old Viglin machines, it's actually going to be really quite fast, but these won't really support Chrome or other modern web standards, so they won't even be able to pass most